Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning podcast. My name is Emma.
And I'm Ben. Hi, Emma. How are you today?
I'm doing very well, thank you. How about you?
I'm good, thank you. It feels nice to sit here again and talk with you and with our listeners.
Yes, it always makes me happy. Today, we have an interesting topic, losing weight.
That's a topic many people think about. It's also a chance to learn new English words and phrases.
Exactly. Ben, do you sometimes try to lose weight?
Yes, sometimes. For example, after holidays, when I eat too much food, I want to lose a little weight. What about you?
Same for me. After vacations or parties, I try to eat healthier and move more.
Let's share some useful words. People often use words like exercise, calories, diet, gym, healthy food, and habits.
Good list. We can also add walking, running, cooking, and water. These are everyday words people use when they talk about health.
Speaking of exercise, what kind of exercise do you like to do when you want to lose weight?
I like walking because it's simple and free. Sometimes I also do yoga at home. What about you?
I like running outside. I don't always enjoy the gym, but running makes me feel free.
That's great. Many people think they need a gym, but simple exercise like walking or running can really help.
Yes, and another important thing is food. What food do you choose when you want to lose weight?
I eat more vegetables, fruit, and fish. I also try to avoid soda and fried food.
That's smart. I also try to cook at home because when I cook, I can control how much oil and sugar I use.
Cooking at home is a good habit. Restaurants often use too much salt and fat.
True. Let's talk about drinks too. What do you drink when you are trying to be healthy?
Mostly water and sometimes tea. I don't drink soda and I rarely drink juice because it has a lot of sugar.
Same here. Water is the best. It helps the body and has no calories.
Ben, do you think losing weight is easy or difficult?
I think it can be difficult because people love tasty food, like sweets or snacks. But if you take small steps, it becomes easier. What do you think?
I agree. It's about balance. You don't need to stop eating everything you love, but you need to eat smaller portions.
Yes, portion is another useful word. It means the amount of food on your plate.
Right. Large portions can make us eat more than we need.
Another thing that helps is sleep. When you sleep well, your body has more energy, and you don't feel hungry all the time.
That's true. Many people don't know that sleep is part of being healthy.
Then, have you ever tried a special diet?
Yes, once. I tried a low-carb diet. That means eating less bread, pasta, and rice.
Did it work for you?
Yes, but it was difficult to continue. After a few weeks, I wanted bread again.
I understand. I once tried a sugar-free diet. It helps me lose some weight, but I missed chocolate too much.
I think the best way is not a strict diet, but small changes every day.
Exactly. Like walking more, drinking water, cooking at home, and eating vegetables.
Yes, those small habits are easier to continue for a long time.
Let's also talk about motivation. What helps you stay motivated to lose weight?
For me, I like to set small goals. For example, I say, this week I will walk for 30 minutes every day. That makes me feel proud.
That's a good idea. For me, music helps. When I listen to my favorite music, I enjoy running more.
That's fun. Some people also like to exercise with a friend because it's easier when you are not alone.
Yes, having support is important.
So, listeners, if you want to lose weight, remember these tips. Move your body, eat healthy food, drink water, sleep well, and take small steps.
That's a great summary.
Then, if you could give one piece of advice about losing weight, what would it be?
My advice is don't try to change everything in one day. Start with one habit and then add more.
That's good advice. Mine is enjoy the process. Don't think only about the number on the scale. Think about feeling stronger and healthier.
I like that.
Well, I think we are coming to the end of today's podcast.
Yes, but before we go, we want to remind our listeners, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.
That way, you can join us again and learn more English with fun topics.
Thank you for spending your time with us today.
Take care of yourselves, stay healthy, and keep practicing your English.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.